Hi,
Hi,
my
my name's Luke.
What are we doing, Luke?
Investigation.
We're doing an investigation.
We're looking for animal footprints.
Oh, we're looking for animal footprints, so animal tracks. Okay, let's look. Do we see any animal tracks?
No.
Do you see any? Oh, there's some animal tracks. Let's investigate. Ooh, those are some good animal tracks. What do you think made these tracks? Let's look a little closer. Which way do you think the animal was going?
This way.
This way.
There's more footprints over there.
Oh, yeah, we'll go check those out in a minute.
Over there.
Walk with me and let's see what the animal was doing. Go ahead, walk ahead. Follow the tracks. Whoa, that's deep snow. Whoa. Oh, it looks like the animal came over here. Oh, look at its footprint.
Yeah.
Do you think that was a dog or a possum? Oh, there's another footprint. Or a raccoon maybe? It came over to the garbage can. And then it walked over here.
Stopped right. It went into here.
It went in there.
Look, I slide.
And came over here. Oh, and it went all the way over there. Come on, Zach. Oh yeah, that's some deep snow, kiddo.
And there's the house.
Oh.
Oh no.
Guess where? Guess where it's living?
In there.
We just investigated and found where it's living.
It goes over here.
Well, I think it's living under there. I think it lives in that hole.
No, keep going. Doctor right here.
Oh, look, the tracks stop over there. It came over there and was digging around in the snow. Okay. And then it walked over here and it stopped. And guess what? Once it stopped, it turned around. And it came back over here. And came back over here.
It came from this way.
Come on, Luke. Come on. Come on. And guess where it went back to? It went back to right here where it's living. It's living under this house.
Yeah.
We just found its home.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a cat or a raccoon or a possum?
I think it's right there.
Good investigating.
Yeah, no, I think there's more footprints. I think I saw some over here. Yeah.
So we're gonna retrace our steps. Come on, kiddo. Your brother is doing an investigation.
There's some hard snow there's some hard snow right here, Dad. Why is there hard snow?
Hard snow?
Right there.
Oh, it might have. Oh, I think that was actually the playground divider.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look how deep that is. That's really deep. I don't think it went on the playground, kiddo. That's not where the tracks went. You found some tracks? Cool.
Nah.
Come look at these ones, Zach.
Uh-oh.
Where did you see the other ones, Luke? Over here? Ooh, yeah. More tracks. Look, it went up to that bush.
Oh, Daddy.
But yeah, this is somebody's yard, so we're not going to go up in their yard. But it looks like more tracks went over to that bush right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what did you find out? What did you find out in your investigation? What did you find out?
Animals.
Okay. We found out that we found animal tracks.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And what kind of animal do we think it is?
I think it's a coyote.
A coyote? I think they're too small. I think it's either a cat or a raccoon or a possum. And then what else did we find out?
A cat.
It's living
Over there.
underneath that. building?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Well, we should investigate tomorrow and see if we find more tracks. We'll do part 2 of our investigation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow we're gonna do this.
Okay. Good job. Give me a high five, kiddo. Nice investigating. Tell everybody goodbye.
Bye.